Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is day 21, May 28. So please see to it that you have seen all the previous 20 days episode, that is 100 MCQs from various topics which is required for your UPSC Prelims 2021, 22, 23. No matter what batch you are preparing for, this kind of MCQs, if you are not studying from any of your test series or your coaching materials, you are not doing justice to your preparation. So please see to it that you study from the right source. The test series also for 2021 and 22 batches are open at Vysh IAS. So details are there. This is a thumbnail for 21. This is a thumbnail for 22. You please go and watch this 2022. A part 2 video will be there, after which the enrollment officially will begin. 21 is going on. Students are already buying. Many people are waiting for it. So the moment we launched it, at least 10 students, I think, in the first day joined it. And now every day we are expecting more and more enrollments, because this is a complete 120-day study timetable where you can study from end to end. Even if you are studying from scratch, we will make you study NCERT and textbooks and all the other needed things. Okay, by October 3, you will be fully ready for this paper. Please see to it that you subscribe to Vysh Courses channel as well. And without your support, we will not be able to take this free initiative forward. This is done with a lot of effort. Every day video is coming out, and proper research is being done. It's not like just for the sake of putting video, we are putting some headline of the news. We are going into the depth detail, taking it to you and presenting it to you in the right easiest format, so that even if a person don't know anything about the history of this issue, they will understand it fully. So whoever have watched this, it has appreciated. But others also, please subscribe, okay, because we are requesting you this much, because we know the value of these videos. So see to it that you watch, share, and also subscribe to this channel as well. So mark your score in comment section. Today's first question is from NCERT. Which of the following are matched correctly? So 4 things are given: shaving cream, milk, mud, and cheese. So what is it? Is it a foam, emulsion, then salt, or gel? So these are certain terms you should know. Okay, when a liquid and liquid mixes, it's called something liquid, and solid mix in something, or it's a gaseous versus liquid. So there are some scientific terms which is there in your NCERT. Okay, class 8th, the class 12th, those textbooks is there. So because students wanted questions from NCERT also, our science test 1 will be dealing with that. Okay, so like that we have 4 tests for science, 400 MCQ. Today we are taking science test 1. So my students, please see to that you answer this right now, and also go and revise all the 100 questions today. Tomorrow I'll take the science test 2 and make you revise. So 1, 2 only, 3, 4 only, 1, 2, 4 only, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 all are true, and this table is taken from NCERT textbook. So if you see here, the phase and the medium, it's given here, liquid phase and its gas medium. Then it is called aerosol, and the examples given. So if you see the question here is shaving cream. Shaving cream is coming here, which is a form, that is a gas phase and a liquid medium. And next one is milk, which is an emulsion, that's a liquid phase and liquid medium. And then there is a mud, which will be again somewhere here, or maybe I missed it to put it here, or yeah, it's here, mud. So it's a salt. So it is a solid phase and liquid medium. Okay, then cheese is there. Cheese will be down the line, gel. Okay, cheese, jelly, butter, all these things are gel, that is liquid phase and solid medium. Okay, so at least this one which is given in your NCERT, these products you have to know. Please don't go and list down a lot of things. You need to know what are these terms, what is the phase and medium during that time, and this thing. It's very, very rare that question can come, but in case it comes, it's like a 2 bonus mark for you, okay, because you did the NCERT. So please see to that you study this. Question number 2, cilia, okay, often seen in news, is closely related to which human body part and process? Is it ear and hearing? Is it knee and walking? Is it stomach and digestion? Or is it lungs and breathing? So this kind of questions also UPSC sometimes ask if something is in news. So you have to know cilia, okay, which part of the body it is, and related to that, if you have heard it, then it's well and good. Now in this time of the situations going around, it should be an easy question. It's related to lungs and breathing. So cilia are small hair-like projections found in our airways. They are an essential part of the body's ability to clear mucus and other foreign substances from the airways. Cilia beat frequency is the natural motion of cilia that helps move mucus out of the body. So this e-cigarette things are in news, and related to that also, cilia was in news, and a news link and also a detailed picture about infograph about e-cigarettes is there in our PDF. My students can go and check it. But for this question, the answer is D, lungs, breathing. Now, which of the following is false about mycetoma, okay, or mycetoma? So this is which of the following is false. So 3 of them should be true. So it is usually endemic to tropical and subtropical regions. It is a chronic inflammatory disease, usually on the foot. It is a genetic hereditary disease. It can transmit through injury of the foot. Okay, so at least you will have an idea, like 2 statements are related to foot, so it should be something related to that. But if you have not heard it, it's a very difficult question, and in the exam hall also it's like very unheard kind of thing. You can skip it, or you can apply logic to it and eliminate. Okay, because ABCDs type questions and all, it's always difficult. There's no elimination and all. You have to know all the 4 statements. So one of them is false, and the answer is C. It is not a genetic hereditary disease. Okay, it's an inflammatory disease of the skin, which anybody can get, and connective tissue, muscle, and bone results from infection caused by more than 70 bacterial or fungal microorganism. The tropical disease is known to affect rural populations, particularly those who walk barefoot, like agriculture laborers and herdsmen. The experts say reaching people in these undeserved areas is crucial to achieve the 2030 United Nations SDG. Okay, so again taken from Down to Earth magazine, which is very, very important for your UPSC preparation. Arrange the following layers of the sun from outer to inner. Okay, outer to inner. So chromosphere, corona, photosphere. So this corona term is not the only place. Disease is the only place where you hear this. There is like the sun's layer. One of the layers is also called corona. So is it 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2. Okay, we have to arrange it from outer layer to inner layer. And the inner layer should be at the last. Answer is 2, 1, 3. That is corona, chromosphere, and photosphere. In this picture, if you see, photosphere is here, inner, chromosphere is here, and corona is the outer layer. Okay, so corona, chromosphere, photosphere. And other zones, convective zone, radiative zone, solar flares, sunspot, which is also an important topic. All these are mentioned here. So more questions are there about sun and these things in both our science and environment, and also in the full test. Okay, also when eclipse and all these things happen, you have to know more details about that. Which of the following is not spread by Aedes mosquito? Okay, malaria, yellow fever, chikungunya, dengue. So these things also, everything you would have heard every time you hear in news, but as a UPSC aspirant, you have to dig one level deep into it and see like actually how do you get this disease. Okay, simply you cannot tell like everybody else like mosquito bites cause it. You have to go one step ahead. Okay, like which mosquito is causing it? That is where you are different from a normal citizen or a netizen who is always fighting on the social media for different reasons. So you have to be that one step ahead. So which of the following is not spread? Okay, meaning 3 of them are spread by Aedes mosquito. So maybe that makes it easier for you. Answer is A, malaria. This Aedes aegypti, the yellow fever mosquito, is a mosquito that spread dengue virus, chikungunya, Zika fever, this Mayaro, Rift Valley fever, and yellow fever viruses and other disease agents. So almost all these things which you newly see, okay, malaria is there since quite some time, but all the other things which you newly see in the news are all caused by this Aedes aegypti mosquito. Okay, malaria is a serious, sometimes fatal disease spread by female Anopheles mosquito and caused by a parasite. Okay, the parasite first travels to a human's liver to grow and multiply. It then travels in the bloodstream and infects and destroys the red blood cells. This is how malaria happens or affects the human body. Yellow fever is a viral disease of typically short duration, spread primarily by female Aedes aegypti mosquito. Okay, so then chikungunya is an infection caused by the chikungunya virus. The virus is spread between people by 2 types of mosquitoes, Aedes albopictus and Aedes aegypti. They mainly bite during the daytime. Okay, the virus may circulate within a number of animals, including birds and rodents. Diagnosis is either testing the blood for virus RNA or antibodies to the virus. Dengue is spread by several species of mosquito of the Aedes type, principally there's Aedes aegypti. The virus have 5 different types of infection. Okay, this again I don't think very important, but this is how clearly we have differentiated between all the 4 of them. Okay, so this level of understanding is expected from you, so that even when a question comes on something on mains also, you can quote or at least differentiate and write. Okay, because simply if you write the names, it won't be sufficient at certain places. So that is the 5 questions for today and the 2021-22 test series. Please see to it that the serious aspirants join. Non-serious aspirants who is going to pile up the material, please don't enroll. But others, please hit subscribe and wait for our next video. A lot of videos are being shared for your learning sake, and it will continue if you just click on subscribe and support us. So thank you and have a nice day.